blend you out. When in doubt, blend you out. When in doubt, blend you out. What's up, you guys, and welcome to this video. If you are not yet a friend, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Who's ready for their patience to be put to the test today? Because if you attempt this look, I promise you it will be put to the test, as mine was put to the test today, okay? Before I fell asleep last night, magically, I don't know how, but I got a vision of this look and so inspired to do this look, and I brought it to life today in this video, and I'm very happy with the way things turned out with this kind of elegant winged liner. You guys, this is gonna be a good one. If you guys are interested in seeing how to create this look, or if you just want to hang out with me, keep on watching, let the games begin, and let's get started. Hello. So I decided to kind of go through my foundation because I haven't really done foundation along with my tutorials. Yes, you guys, I am wearing colored contacts. Hi, I'll talk about them for a little bit. For foundation today, oh, by the way, yes, I have already moisturized and primed. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I am trying something new today. I'm trying the new CoverGirl True Matte Foundation. Excuse me, True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Oh my gosh, you know what it smells like? It smells like ice cream. That's, oh my, yeah, it totally smells like ice cream. Like when you walk into an ice cream shop, you know how ice cream shops have smells? This is exactly what it smells like. Alright guys, so about these colored contacts, I got them from TTDEYE, and that is TTDEYE, their colored contact brand. They sent me these. I got to choose the color contact that I want, and I chose Polar Lights Brown 2, and I got to choose them in my prescription. So if you do have prescripted lenses, you can have that option, and I think they're comfortable, they're very nice. I do have an astigmatism in both eyes, which just means that instead of my eyeball being a perfect sphere, it is more of an almond shape, more like shaped like a football. But these lenses are comfortable, I can see, and I do have a code if any of you babes are interested. Use code Safai for 10% off your purchase, okay? So to conceal underneath my eyes, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. Gonna go ahead and do my contour using the Espresso Matchstick by Fenty Beauty. Like my all-time favorite, you guys. I'm using the Ben Nye powder in the shade Banana. Okay, so I've already done one eye off camera, so why don't we zoom in and get started with our next eye. The first shade I'm taking is the shade Boss from the Like a Boss palette. I'm gonna go ahead and place Boss down on my crease region, and this is gonna serve as my transition shade. And I'm also going to drag the shade out. I'm also going to run the shade Boss along my lower lash line, remembering to not neglect this area right here. And what we do on the top, we do on the bottom. So any shade that I use on the top, I'm just going to also run that along my lower lash line on the bottom. The next shade I'm taking is Snatched. I'm going to go ahead and place Snatch lower than the shade Boss to intensify my crease area. Really work that shade in. So I'm also running the shade Snatched along my lower lash line. What we do on the top, you guys, we do on the bottom. I'm just gonna run my waterproof eyeliner in the shade Dark Side from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Run it along my lower lash line and waterline. We're going to be using the Black Milk Gelato from Beauty Bakery. I'm going to go ahead and pack on this black gel liner onto my lid, starting closest to the lash line and then working my way up. You might want to work just a little swiftly so you can blend this out before it sets. And I'm bringing that above my natural crease. And a little bit out here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that line so we don't have any harsh edges. Now I'm going to use the shade Strong. I'm going to go right over that edge with the shade Strong to further blend things out. I'm using the shade Strong and I'm kind of dragging the shade out at the edge of that black, so it's kind of a winged effect because you wanna have enough contrast when you do your graphic liner. So I've taken the shade Strong once again, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lower lash line. Taking a little bit of inspo, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right underneath my lashes to go and really intensify things. I'll be taking the shade Amazeballs and Adulting, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner. For the graphic liner, I will be using my Maron Paradise palette, and I'm gonna be taking the gold shade. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna start doing a swirl. And this swirl is going to end up with a flick, which is going to be our wing. Now I'm just going to continue doing swirls. With this swirl here, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in like an eyeliner. And then I'm going to do dots to complete this. And the dots will be ascending in sides and connect to the eyeliner that we have. One dot at the end. This space right here looks empty, so I'm just gonna put a dot right here. I'm pretty much done with the eyes right now, thank the Lord. Took a lot of patience. So what I'm gonna do now is do my eyelashes off camera, and for eyelashes today I will be using the Vegas Nay Eye Lower Lashes in the style Bronze Beauty, and I will be right back. I'm so proud of how this is turning out, you guys. So we're gonna finish up the rest of the face. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, and I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna just put some warmth back into the face. And now it's time to contour, and I will be taking the shade Chocolat from my Deuce palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna use this shade to contour, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. You know, just work on some depth and work in the areas I wasn't so blessed with. This wing was made for the royals, honey. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So for blush today, I will be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gradient Blush Kit, and we're gonna take the shade, I think I'm gonna do Vegas. Yeah, we're gonna take the shade Vegas on our cheeks today, put some color back into the face, you know, because I don't blush naturally, ever, so therefore, we put blush on. For my glow situation, I'm gonna jump back to my Violet Voss Tangerine Dream loose highlighter. It's been a minute since I've used her, and I really did enjoy the loose highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on all my highest points of the face, so we can glow it up, people. We're gonna glow up. Why did I stop using this? Wow. I mean, this shade is perfect. It blends in so well, and it's just like, why did I stop using this? Oh my goodness. Wow? Hello. Okay, let's blend you out. Let's blend you out, sis. Just stunning. The way it reflects the light, and it just makes my skin look really, really smooth. Alright, I didn't want a lot happening on my lips. I mean, you could do something deep, but I kind of wanted to do nude. Nude and glossy. What I'm gonna do is take my Chestnut lip liner from MAC, line my lips. Then I'm gonna take the shade Sugary Sweet from Karity, and I think I'm gonna top it off with a gloss called Undressed from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's put this in motion. I'm not feeling undressed too much, so I'm going to take my Fenty lip gloss. This is a gloss bomb, and I think we'll be better off with her. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray to go ahead and lock everything in. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun bringing this vision to life and creating this look for you guys If you enjoyed this video today, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about this elegant winged eyeliner. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and show that subscribe button some love. If you are already a subscriber, I thank you so much, and show that bell button some love if you haven't already. But that is all that I have for you guys today. I will see you beautiful babes in my next video. Bye guys. Hold it 1 second. I'm gonna play some videos here for you guys so you can watch them, one or the other or both, you know. Sit back, relax, grab some snacks, grab a blanket. Whether you're watching on your TV, your phone, your iPad, your computer screen, your friend's phone, your mom's phone, your dad's phone. Enjoy. Bye.